There is no intro. Intros do not exist.
That's a harness.
Yeah. Just yeah. So today we are at Walmart and stuff.
Yeah, that's a dog one, so that might be big. Take it out.
Sure. So soft. I'm stuck. Yeah. Yeah. There. Oh, come on. My nose is stuck. Oh. Okay. Do 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 do. Ah, 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 $19 Fortnite card. Who wants it? Ooh, chips.
For the road.
I need to find snacks for the road. No, 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 yeah, no. So, no, 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 no.
There he goes. Wait, put him away.
Task complete. Yeah. Ow.
Cranberry ginger ale. Oh my god.
Ketchup. I'll never be as good as the short puppet. Yeah, but I got. What is this?
Most people did it. Oh, I saw it.
Oh, well.
That's
Well done. Nice. Paper plate. Yeah, I want a drink. I want a drink. Is there Pepsi in there?
yes, I got your Pepsi.
Oh, you already got me one. Ah!
I'll get it.
Oh, that hurt a lot.
I'll get a drink.
No. I really need to go to a dentist. I'm going down. Hello. Hello. Oh no. Oh no, he's been covered.
This is the only thing we came for, right here. That's it.
Okay, there was a shark puppet, so
Yeah, but I mean, literally, that's all we needed was those little Velcro sticks.
he's there. Oh. It's been crushed. Oh.
Oh, it's all covered. Yeah. But still, you know.
No, please don't hurt me now.
Okay, come on,
No.
let me know.
And what is your opinion on bootleg shark puppet? Okay. He's been freed. Yeah. There was a mess in there. Anyways, I'm free now. That means you can take it off this tag. Ah. I think he's dead. Well, that's it. Bye.